Okay. Bonjour, students. Bonjour. Beautiful city of Lyon welcomes you. My name is Haru Mehra. So, I am calling you from a beautiful city called Lyon. You can see clear sky, and it's springtime here. A lot of kids you can see coming here with their trottinette, with their scooty, and playing, and people actually basking in the sun. And let me also take this opportunity to thank your school who have decided to participate in this virtual tour. Now, virtual tour is also a way for you to discover France and different cities of France. And also it helps you to know when the things are okay and how you can come to France as exchange students and how you can actually, participate in that. So this city is in the central east of France, and it is a very wonderful city, culturally enriched, and it has many things to see. It is very near to Switzerland, and Geneva. So when you come here as an exchange student, we take you to the UN headquarters. I am at a compound which is called La Mairie compound. Now you see this huge building here. Can you see this huge building?
Yes,
So
Yes,
on my left, you have the building of mayor's building. So, and on my right, you see the theater. It's a theater come swimming pool. It's a swimming pool also, and it's a cultural center. And you see these girls, doing some exercises and all that thing. So this is part of France. Like people actually, do different things, and they actually kind of, participate in many cultural and physical activities. Mayors are the elected representative of a region. So, for example, Lyon has about 8 mayors, and these 8 mayors actually regulate, and they actually take care of the health, the education, and the administrative things of the people of that region. Europe is part of a European Union. So the first flag is of the European Union. The middle flag is of France, the country, and the third flag is of the mairie, of the mayor's office here. Saturday and Sunday is also the marriage day. So this mairie actually takes care of the marriages also. Unlike in India, where you first do band baja and dhum dhadaka, and you do the function and your religious thing, and then you go and register your marriages. But here you see one marriage happening. So you see a bride. Can you see the bride and the bridegroom? The bridegroom has picked up the bride. Can you see that?
Yes.
Please saying bonjour to you. Okay. So they're saying hi to you. Merci, merci, merci. So this is the marriage. They will first come here. They will actually register their marriage. That's why they come with all their dresses and all that. And after that, they will do their function in a church or in a whatever religious affiliation they have. They will do it after this. So you see this. This is called the Monument of Mariam. What is there in our hand? Can you see what is there in our hand? Can you tell me?
So I think it's a gun.
It's a rifle.
It's a
Yes,
gun.
it's a gun. Very good. So
It's a rifle?
one hand she has a gun, a rifle, and in the other hand, her hand is chained. And this monument came into existence to mark. Can you see the dates?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the year.
Yes, sir.
Now, this monument explains the existence of the European Union, because the European Union was formed after World War II, and you see a lot of people who died here fighting. They are actually German names. Hate, war, and all these things doesn't do good for anyone. So what they did was they decided to come together, and they said that we will have within a union, we'll have a union which is European Union. That is why, as a resident, I and many people here who stay in France, We can move to Italy, we can move to Germany, we can move to Belgium or Sweden or Netherlands or Finland, just like we are crossing a road, just like you are going from say Punjab to Haryana. It's that easy. The concept of the French Republic, which means fraternité, égalité, and the brotherhood. The concept of laïcité is that your religion, what you practice as a religion, what you eat, what you wear, is your personal choice. It's a personal thing. It has the state has nothing to do with it. So that's how the concept came, and this concept is respected all over Europe. Metro and tramways that they have, and the long train, which is the fastest train in the world, which is called TGV. You have a velo system, which is a cycle system. See, you have this velo. Can you see velo written on the top? So this is a velo station. So what is this velo station? This velo station has a lot of cycles. And you have many cycle stands like these. And these cycles are free by the government, because you have dedicated cycling tracks. They do two things. One thing is it's physically good for the people to ride, and a lot of young people, they take up these bikes. The second thing is it protects the environment. Now this is a merry-go-round, which is where small kids, they take care of this. Every Saturday, today is Saturday, they come here to to take a ride. They respect the waste management system which the government has put, and this is how the waste management system works here. There are many students who come here on exchange, like this is what we take care of. And these students, when they come here, many of them, they do projects on waste management, and they feel wonderful. Orange is a shop just like we have Jio and Airtel and Vodafone here in India. So this is a shop. We have 5G right now, working in France. So you have this shop doing that. Now what the French people eat, like you see all these wonderful things, the quiche and the salads and the croissant. I'll show you the croissant, the thing that they eat for the breakfast. So you see all these wonderful croissant here. And when the exchange students come here, because I welcome thousands of students every year here, they actually love this. This is a macaron, and in between you have a sweet thing, and then you have a cookie wrapped around, and it's very crunchy, and students love this. Now I told you that I don't have to spend for my medicines. Or my tests or my hospitalization, because it's taken care by the government. So suppose I have something called Carte Vitale. If I have to take some medicines, I go inside this shop. I just show my ordonnance, which is my prescription, and my Carte Vitale, and everything is given to me free. I'm going to just enter the marché, the local marché. Local marché is just like you have in India, for example, those Buddha Bazaars and Sunny Bazaars and all those things, those Sunday Bazaars. Like that, this is a Saturday Bazaar. On just 10 euros, you get these toffees, 1 kilo of toffees. You can see the things, like this is a fruit vendor. And here you see these. What are these? Can you tell me what are these?
Strawberries.
This is the strawberry season. You will see a lot of strawberries here. You will see a lot of strawberries being sold here, because this is the strawberry season. This is a section of poulet. That means you see all those chickens. You see how many people are here, because it is 30 to 40% less expensive than what you get in the market, in the formal market. So you have these again fruits and these oranges. It's also an orange season, and these oranges, they come from Spain. And this is a meat shop here. There's a meat shop here. You get different kinds of meats. Like for example, this region in Lyon, it's a Rhône-Alpes region. Here there's a dish called raclette. Now raclette is made of boiled potatoes, and over that they put cheese. And it's wonderful. And you can put other things like meat or chicken or whatever you want to do. As you can see, different varieties of cheese available here. People are buying those cheeses.
Sir, as you told about the free cycles, so card is given to each and every people.
Yes, those who are residents. Here everything is tracked. You cannot steal these bikes. So everybody it's tied up with your social security number. So for example, the card is given to every resident here. So like I have my card, my wife has one card. So we can use it, we can give it to our children, they can use it. It is linked to our mobile phone. So there is an application with which we can release this. So everything is actually linked to our social security number.
As we know that there is a French language here, sir, can people understand English as we go from India there? We know English only. Can we talk
very good question. Very good question. Yes. So when you come here in big cities like Lyon, Paris, and Nantes, and Toulouse, or Helsinki, or Madrid, you can actually so you get a lot of people who speak English because why? Because a lot of young people, those who are in their 20s and 30s, they speak English because when they do the graduation or post-graduation, the third year, the last year, they are taught in English. You see this person, playing the guitar. So basically this you will find everywhere in France. So I'm going to give something to this guy because he actually, is a person who is an artist basically.
Sir, my name is Yusha. My question is that except the French and English, is there any other language taught to the students?
Okay, very good question. So for example, my son is in 7th class here. So he is actually about 13 years old. He's going to be 13. He's right now 12. So next month he'll be 13. Now he is learning, of course, English. French is a native language here, so he speaks French. He has to choose one more European language, which means like he has chosen German. So basically here there is the government at the school level and at the university level, they actually encourage speaking 3 languages because they know that if you speak more languages, it is going to be giving you more opportunities. Au revoir. Ciao.